Okay, R.D. Sharma, problem 10.3. So what it is given? ABC is a triangle. Question number 9. ABC is a triangle. Is a triangle. Okay. Angle B equal to 2 into angle C. Right. Done. D is a point on BC. Is a point on BC. D is a point on BC such that AD bisects angle BAC. అంతేనా? And AB equal to CD. Prove that BAC equal to 72 degree. Okay, good question. So now I will draw the diagram for it. What is the diagram for it and how it is being done? You can see here. ABC is a triangle. Angle B equal to 2 times angle C. D is a point on BC such that AD bisects angle BAC. AB equal to CD. Prove that angle BAC equal to 72 degree is the question. Our question. Right? So for this one, how we have to solve it? First, let us draw the diagram. What it is given? ABC is a triangle. Angle A equal to 2 times angle C. Now you can see here. I am drawing. This is A. This is B. This is C. Angle B, angle C. If angle B is 2 times C, means if angle C is Y, the angle B is 2Y. Such that AD bisects angle BAC. There is a point D on BC. D is on BC such that it is bisecting angle BAC. BAC को bisect कर रहा है. Right? Let us take this as X. Bisecting. And AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. These two are equal. Okay. Fine. Prove that angle BAC equal to 72 degree. This is not equal. These two are not equal. These two are equal. It's not a median. Okay. Prove that angle BAC equal to 72 degree. So let us write the given to prove. So given you can write it again from the question as proved above. Triangle ABC, where angle B equal to 2 times angle C. Okay. Now another thing what you have taken. Angle BAD equal to angle DAC to prove. And AB also equal to CD. And to prove we will write angle BAC equal to 72 degree. Now we need to do one construction. What is that construction? Let us take a point P, draw a angle bisector. What is that angle bisector? BP, B to P, something where P is on AC. You are drawing like this. Is it clear? Is it okay? Where P is on AC. Now proof. You have done this. P is coming here. Now join PD. You can join PD also. ऐसे ही you can join PD. Now what you have to do is the question. These are something construction. Why we take BP construction? You know why? Because here if we do the angle bisector, it will come back again to y and y. Then these two triangles will become similar. That's why we are taking that. Okay, that is the reason why we are taking it. We are dividing PD because we will divide it into two triangles, then it will be much more easier, because we need to have an angles and properties here, angles and property and exterior angle property only main here. Now see, when this is y and this is y, these two sides will become equal, opposite sides, no? This opposite side is here, this opposite side is here, so these two sides are equal. First point which you need to note down. So in triangle BPC, BP equal to PC. Why? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Next, what we will take? Let us take the triangle. Now let us prove congruence between any two triangles. Which triangles we can make congruence? You can see here we are getting one side and an included angle. So we can take SAS. You know SAS rule, na? We can take SAS. Another side, this also. One side, one black one blue one, and Y angle included. So these two triangles we can prove it as congruent. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Thank you. In triangle ABP and triangle PDC, AB equal to CD given, BP equal to PC above, proved above, and one more is, third one is what? Angle ABP equal to angle PCD, which is equal to Y. Okay. Now, therefore, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle, which one? PCD. Exact corresponding you should write. You are getting my point? How it is corresponding, which we have to corresponding, that also we should be very careful. P C D. Sorry. DCP. P should corresponding to P, na? Right. By which congruence rule? By SAS congruence rule. Next, ABP equal to DCP means now CPCT we will use. What is the CPCT here? AP equal to DP. AP equal to DP by CPCT. One more is there. What is that? Angles. This angle A, is equal to angle D. AD. Angle A equal to angle D equal to 2x by CPCT. Taken. This is what you have to use congruence or this technique still here. Clear? Now if this is x, this angle will also be equal. Therefore further you can write angle PAD equal to angle PDA equal to x. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, now we will divide it in two sections because we need a little bit more space to do so. ठीक है, यहाँ से हमारा actual part will start. Now we will take this triangle and exterior angle property. In triangle ABD, what we have? Angle A, angle BAD plus angle B equal to angle ADC. Clear? Angle BAD plus angle B will form exterior angle ADC. So what it has already we know. This is x means this is 2x means this is also 2x. We proved na. Angle A equal to D equal to 2x. So you can write it here 2x. This also came at x. So what is that ADC? It is 3x. So BAD is x plus angle B is 2y equal to what is exterior angle term completely 3x. Now you cancel here 2x, 2y equal to 2x, x equal to y. This is the first inference. Now we will go to second inference. In triangle ABC, this is by vertical, that is exterior angle property. Shreya's favorite. Next will come. Angle sum property. So in triangle ABC, we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to, very good, angle sum property. What is angle A? 2x. What is angle B? 2y. What is angle C? Y equal to 180 degree. Already we know this. This is 1. Put 1 here. So 2 x equal to y. What we need? x1 need. Therefore we can put in the place of y, we can put x. So 2x plus x equal to 180 degree. So 5x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 by 50, 180 by 5, which is 36 degree. So x is 36 degree. Clear? So what is the inference we need? Angle A equal to 2x, which is equal to 2 into 36, hence proved. So angle BAC equal to 70 degree. So therefore angle BAC equal to 72 degree. This is what you need to prove. Cleared? Clear with the proof? There are 3 stages of logic. First, construction is the most important thing here. Why construction idea should come? Because you need to apply angle sum property or exterior angle property, which is only possible if we create triangles inside a triangle. First point, first objective of construction. You are making bisector. Why? Because to make y equal. Obviously, if you join that, you will join this. Then you will see you can see by the blue marking and red marking which triangles are congruent, are proving congruent, bringing that A towards the downside. Ho gaya. Khatam. Then you are applying exterior angle property, then you are applying this angle sum property, and you are getting the result. Getting relation between x and y, and you are applying there, and you will get the solution. In the question only x is clearly mentioned. So no need of again following somewhere else. Question is directly there. That's all.